In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add favorites in Televizo app. So Televizo is something that is actually an IPTV channel that you can help add to your favorites list. So to do that, from the channel list on the IPTV channel window, and you can also add sources from M3 your playlist. So to add specific channel on your favorites window, what you can do is you can just first select the desired channel, and then from in there, press F3 button on the remote control to mark the channel with a star. Alternatively, you can also hold the OK button in order to add it to your favorite. Just repeat the process for each channel that you wish to add to your favorites in order to successfully add them. Once you mark all the desired channels, you can exit that particular section. And upon exiting, the system will prompt you to save the changes, so make sure to save the changes right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out on adding favorites to your channel.